Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to a subscriber, Diane Ramirez, who asked me to make a video about flat Earth theory versus a round Earth theory in the comments of my last video. So here it is, and I hope you all enjoy the journey. Some people believe the Earth is flat. It's an old idea, but it's been discussed more recently online. They imagine the Earth as a disc with a dome over it. This idea might seem interesting, but it doesn't match what we see and experience every day. The flat Earth idea has trouble explaining things we know to be true. For example, how do airplanes fly around the world if the Earth is flat? How come we have different time zones? The evidence for a round Earth is very strong. We have pictures of Earth from space. Satellites orbiting our planet show a clear, round shape. These images are not faked or manipulated. They are taken by different countries and organizations around the world. Astronauts have also seen the Earth's curvature with their own eyes. From space, they can see the Earth as a sphere, just like the pictures show. These images and first-hand accounts are powerful evidence of our planet's true shape. The Earth is constantly spinning, like a top. This spinning is called rotation. It takes about 24 hours for the Earth to make one complete rotation. This rotation is why we have day and night. As the Earth rotates, different parts of the planet face the sun. The side facing the sun experiences daylight. The side facing away from the sun experiences night. This continuous rotation is a fundamental part of life on Earth. The Earth doesn't just rotate, it also orbits the sun. This orbit is not a perfect circle, but slightly oval-shaped. It takes approximately 365 days for the Earth to make one complete orbit around the sun. This journey around the sun is what causes the seasons. Because of the tilt of Earth's axis, different parts of the planet receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. When a hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, it experiences summer. When it's tilted away, it experiences winter. Section 5. Flat versus round. Two different ideas. The flat Earth theory claims that the Earth is a flat disk with a dome-like structure covering it. This theory often suggests that the sun and moon are much smaller and closer to Earth than science has proven. The spherical Earth theory, supported by overwhelming scientific evidence, describes the Earth as a sphere that rotates on its axis and revolves around the sun. This model accurately explains day and night, seasons, eclipses, and countless other phenomena. Section 6. Light and motion. Clues from the universe. The way light behaves also proves the Earth is round. Think about sunrises and sunsets. When the sun sets, it gradually disappears below the horizon. If the Earth were flat, the sun would just get smaller and smaller as it moved farther away. Also, the speed of Earth's rotation is incredibly fast. If the Earth were flat, objects and people would be flung off at the equator. The fact that we stay grounded is due to gravity, which pulls everything towards the center of our spherical planet. Section 7. Seasons and shadows. More evidence of a sphere. The way seasons work provides further evidence of a round Earth. If the Earth were flat, all parts of the planet would receive the same amount of sunlight throughout the year. However, we know this isn't true. Also, the length of shadows changes depending on the position of the sun in the sky. This change in shadow length is directly related to the Earth's curvature. On a flat Earth, shadows would behave differently. Section 8. From small to huge. The universe loves spheres. It's not just Earth that's round. Almost everything in space is round, or nearly round. Planets, stars, and moons are all spherical. Gravity is the reason why. Gravity pulls equally in all directions. This means that large objects in space naturally form into spheres over time. This is because a sphere is the most stable shape for an object with a lot of mass. Section 9. Conclusion. Our round, rotating world. The evidence for a spherical Earth is overwhelming. We have pictures from space, observations of day and night, the changing seasons, and even the way gravity works. The flat Earth theory simply cannot explain these things. Understanding that the Earth is round is not just about memorizing a fact. It's about appreciating the power of scientific inquiry and the beauty of our universe. Have an awesome scientific day, my science friends, and see you in the next video.